Hello and welcome to another back in stock video for this Friday. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as always I'm here in the warehouse taking a look around to see what is available for your Norton Commando bikes. So why don't we take a look and see what I've managed to find this week. So first up this week is part number AMAL 622/238. That's the carburetor service kit, and you can get that for £33.60 including VAT. We've got the reserve fuel tap with a sealing washer, that's part number 031746 for £25.14 including VAT. And we've got the main fuel tap as well with the sealing washer, that's part number 033155, and that's also £25.14 including VAT. Part number 060398, the chain case sealing band, that's £6.42 including VAT. The handlebar switch and lever with high and low beam on there, that's part number 191371, is £114.13 including VAT. And finally this week, part number 067894, the washer shake proof for the crankshaft drive side under the rotor nut is 78p including VAT. And if there's anything I've not mentioned at all, don't forget you can check out the Andover Norton website. That is linked in the section below, and it will take you straight through to the website and you can see what there is on there that's available for your bike and what isn't. And if there's something you really need, you can get in touch with the guys on the technical email address as well, which is also listed in the section below. Right, until next time, thanks for watching and safe riding.